Hello everyone. In today's video I will make a short unboxing for this VVDI MLB tool. I just received it. I had it on pre-order for quite some time. I don't have anything prepared. I just want to do the unboxing video and the first setup of the tool. I'm quite happy I got it. So let's begin. I open the box. We find a nice instruction manual in Chinese. On the other side it's in English. I already downloaded the software on the computer, but let's see what it's in the box. First we have an USB-C USB cable. I think this cable it will be used to connect the device to the computer. Then an adapter from USB-A to USB-C. A cable. Okay. And the device itself on black color. Let's see how we can connect this. Top, VCC1, VCC2, and just plug in. We have a small port, but no additional cable. We have the USB-C, and we have a power DC connector, but we don't have in the box any power adapter. What I will do now, I will automatically connect to my computer and bind it with my account, or try to bind it. Let's see how it will run the first setup. So the device is prepared. I will plug into the computer. And I will open MLB software. Okay, a pop-up, the current device is not activated and requires online activation before use. Do you want to activate it? Yes. Device successfully activated. So I have the serial number, a counter, and let's bind the device. Okay, I need to open the Xhorse app. I have the combined device, the same serial number, in my Xhorse application. I don't know why it's not working for first time. Okay, so the current device region is global. The software will be limited to English. Of course, it was in English. The device is looking like this. 2 LEDs, and the cable. Thank you. Bye bye.